Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to HAProxy health check notifications, full guide step by step clearly. Open your terminal or command line interface. Navigate to your HAProxy configuration file, typically located at /etc/haproxy/haproxy.cfg. Open the configuration file in your preferred text editor, such as Nano or Vim. Locate the section for your front-end or back-end configuration where you want to add the health check. Add the health check option by including option HTTP/CHK followed by the HTTP method and endpoint you want to check. Specify the health check interval using the inter parameter, for instance, enter 5000 for a 5-second interval. Set the timeout for the health check response using the timeout check parameter. To enable notifications, you need to set up a logging mechanism. Make sure you include a logging option in your configuration, using log followed by your desired log server details. Specify the log format to include the health check status. Restart the HAProxy service to apply the changes you've made. Use a tool like cron or a script to monitor the HAProxy logs for any health check failures. Set up your notification mechanism, such as email or a messaging service, to alert you of failures. In the notification script, filter the relevant log lines that indicate a health check failure. Test your configuration by simulating a health check failure and ensuring you receive the notification. Review your logs and notifications regularly to maintain optimal health check management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.